great to see you here today, and great to have a competition that provides us with more competitive football.
Yes, it is. I think it was a great decision by UEFA to change the friendly games to this competition. More competitive, you see great games, give the chance to have to go to the Euro too. So I think it was fantastic.
We're here from Wales, and we have a programme every week that's run and followed your career from your days with Barcelona, Real Madrid, and so you've been a huge star for our show. So thank you. And were you aware that you had so many fans up and down Wales?
I didn't know. You never realize how many fans you have in different countries, but I'm very pleased and thank you so much.
Well, now you know. And can I ask you as well about your thoughts on Wales and their current situation?
Well, Wales is always a good team. I think it's very tough to play against Wales. You have, like, of course, Bale like a reference, a maximum reference, and I think you're doing fantastic in the last Euro. So I hope that you continue to improve every competition and give so much happiness to your fans.
Yeah, that's what we hope to. And of course, it's been a fantastic year for Portuguese, or a couple of years for Portuguese football. Fantastic.
Yeah, it's been fantastic. The last two big competitions in Europe. After so many years looking for this and to give happiness to our population, so we got it. So we have to continue like this.
And of course, you beat Wales in the semi-finals on the way to the last final of the Euros as well. So thanks for that.
Well, I'm sorry for that, but it's football, you know.
Great, it's great to see you. Obrigada.
Thank you so much. Thank you.